Hi, welcome to Psych. So I'm going to try this video thing. We'll see how it goes. My intent is every week you'll have a video that kind of opens up the week for you. So this is basically to explain the Psych course. This course runs basically from Wednesday to Sunday at 5 p.m. That's considered your online time. And then your class will be Monday at 5 to 6:15. Okay? I thought that would give you enough time for those of you who need to work over the weekend on homework, on reading, and things like that. But it also gives me time to review what you did before your Monday class. So hopefully that'll work and I can keep that timeline. I toyed with Saturday, but then I decided that you may need more time over the weekend. Okay? So this course, there's a lot of things that you can do to be successful. Just the first thing is the digital textbook. What you do is you want to go in, and when you look at the Moodle course, under the link that says Pearson eText Online, there is a code. It's the eText course ID code for the textbook that I've already embedded some things in. So it's very important that you put that code in before you start reading the textbook. If you have any trouble, come to my office. We'll try to help you get the book in. But you are going to have to use the e-text, and you need to use the version that has my name attached to it. So what I've done is we're going to do, instead of just reading the textbook, part of your online course is just like I would be teaching you. I would be teaching you content, and then I would ask you questions, and probably related to experiences you had. So when you're in the e-text of my course, you're going to see some pushpins. If you click on the pushpin, there's going to be a question that pops up, and I want you to answer that question there. Now, to answer it, you can answer it and save, and I think it works, or you can go to the left column and there's a notes manager, because the pushpins are notes. So there's a notes manager. If you click on that and you click on the question, you can answer it there. Make sure you save. Save after every answer or you're going to lose your information, and that's just pretty critical. Okay, so save it. Okay, after you've read the whole text or whatever reading I give you, and you've answered the pushpins, what you want to go back down to the notes manager, and you want to hit print. And when you hit print, you have the ability to save onto your computer as a PDF file. Save onto your computer, and then what you're going to do is I have every week there'll be a link where it says week 1, it says chapter 1 notes manager PDF. So you're going to upload it there. You can also upload it into Folio-Tech too if you wanted to save and capture that information, because Moodle will be gone, but Folio-Tech is yours for as long as you pay for it or anything. So you might want to put that in there. Now, the key to being successful in answering these questions is, first of all, include information that you read in the text that shows me you're reading the text. You're going to say, as it related in the information about qualitative research, the author said da-da-da-da. You can do that. You can put information in from your own experiences. Many of you have kids in school. Many of you have been substitute teaching or different things like that. So put that information in. Give me a really good, hearty answer as it comes with that. So that's one part of, and you'll be doing that every week for me. I call it guided reading. I think it's a really good way for you to get the information. The other thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking a quiz every week. And the quiz is basically on keywords, concepts, things that I think you, as an educator, should know all your teaching experience. So, you know, if I say what's qualitative research, you should be able to spit that out. So that's what the quizzes are for, is those topics, because this course is a foundational course. And if you get a really strong foundation, first you're going to be able to talk like an academic, which is important. You'll also be able to understand things in meetings and things that you read and different things like that. So it's really important to me, and hopefully it's important to you, that you get that strong foundation and you know all those key terms. And that's a lot of what this course is just getting you that information. So, it is designed that you can, after reading, if you'll know exactly where it's at, so you can go in and find the information. This first quiz is a fill in the blank. If it's more than one word, you're going to have a parentheses and it's going to say 2, so that means there's 2 words. The exact words, this is a pretty easy. You should be able to give me the exact words from the text for full credit. Okay, so those 2 things you're going to be doing. Then there's going to be something else that you're going to be doing, and it could be a variety of things. This week, what you're going to be doing is reviewing the junior achievement, because a part of this course is for you to complete a junior achievement experience. And junior achievement is a set program where you're going to be teaching the whole class. It's a good way to give you the lessons, so that it's a good way for you to teach something without having to do all the planning. We do expect for you to modify it based on the kids that are in your program. And I'm going to be talking about JA in another video. But for this week, you need to review all the information about JA, fill out the JA volunteer application form. They're going to send you like a receipt back in your email. You want to copy that, and you want to bring that to class on Monday. So you need to do this before Monday, okay, or Sunday at 5 p.m., which is really, I want that to get into your mind, okay? Great. So that's basically how the online work is going to go. In class, you're going to see a variety of things. One of the things I really like to do is I like to teach you in a variety of strategies so that you can feel it and see it. So we'll do some discussion, we'll do some presentations, we'll do a variety of stuff. So for now, before class, I need you to do the beginning of week 1, because that is due this week. And then I want you to review the Psych syllabus, okay? There is some main assignments. You're going to be journaling. You're going to do a JA journal. You're going to do an administrator interview. We're going to do a multi-intelligence project. But probably the biggest thing is Earth Day, which is April 29th, which is a Saturday. So please make sure you're off work now and that you don't have any requirements, because you are required to go to Earth Day. You're going to be developing this lesson unit plan, and you're going to be doing one section of it for the public during Earth Day. So that is April 29th, so we have some time, but I need you to understand that that is a requirement. So review that, review the course outline. It's kind of light right now, just with the major assignments. You will have a midterm exam, okay, that you will take without the book, and it's going to be just reviewing all those terms, so I make sure that you understand all of the terms. And then at the end there you'll have a presentation. We're going to be doing a big My Classroom project, so that's going to be a huge part of that presentation. All right, so I think I gave you enough this week to look at and work with. When you scroll down from the top of the course, you will see that there's a big blue box. It says week 1. It says online class. And if you just tick through that and do exactly what that says, you're going to be very successful in that online portion. But you have to do it all, or you don't get marked present for the online portion. Okay, and you miss more than 2 weeks, you will be withdrawn. That means 4 classes, online or natural, you will be withdrawn from the class, okay? So I hope you have a good start to the semester. Thank you. Bye.